Hey everybody, Stephanie Webb here with Remax First Realty, just getting ready for my open house at 202 Holiday Hill today. For anybody that can't make it, I just wanted to post a video so you could see how awesome this house is. Right now we are looking at the newly updated brand new kitchen. These are new shaker style cabinets. Really nice. Then there is an open pass through to the dining room. So you could have a nice sized table here and still be a part of the action in the kitchen. If we keep going, we will see a really big, huge living room. You could fit a sectional in here easily. So really nice big living room, and then you can see out to the backyard. The backyard has a nice green area, and then it also has an extended concrete pad. Would be really nice for like parking like a camper, or even letting the kids ride their bikes there. And then this house does have first floor laundry. See here, really nice space for your washer and dryer. It does have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The bathrooms all have new vanities, new flooring, just have all been really nicely updated, so you don't have to do a thing. Next we have the master bedroom. So really good sized master here with a nice closet. And then we do also have an ensuite private bathroom with all the really nice upgrades, like the nice vanity and a really nice tiled shower also. Continuing down the hallway, we have 3 more bedrooms. So it is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. All the bedrooms have overhead lighting, brand new carpet, nice vinyl windows. Honestly, there's nothing that you'd have to do here. So there also is a basement with lots of storage, a rec room, and a garage. So if you think you might like more information on this house, my name is Stephanie Webb and I am with Remax Realty. Just give me a call, 419-709-0489. And again, this is 202 Holiday Hill in Lexington. And it is listed for $169,900, brand new listing. Have a great day.